Let's showcase the Tineco A11 Hero. This is one of my favorite cordless vacuums because this is really a competitor to the Dyson. This is what it looks like when all the parts are on a table. You get a lot of attachments, more than you would consider in a Dyson, and these attachments are well made. The A11 is a huge upgrade from the A10. You get more power, you get longer battery life, up to 40 minutes. This is a premium vacuum with a 450 watt digital motor. And you can see everything. All the containers are clear, so you know where all your blockages are, and it has a removable battery, and you could charge 2 batteries in the cradle at the same time. So this is the box. This is what it looks like, and that's everything you get inside. 20% more powerful suction, 60% longer runtime. And now let's run a quick test on it with using cornflakes. So I'm going to be dropping some of these cornflakes on the floor, and you can see I want to get a healthy dose, so I'm going to do 2 handfuls. And then we're going to test out, does the Tineco A11 have the power to pick them all up, and how many passes does it take? So here we go. First pass. It's going to go, and it's going to pick up pretty much almost everything on the first pass. Second pass, every single pass, it picks up all the cornflakes on the floor. And here's a close-up view. You can see it picking up everything, and it's gone. All the cornflakes are gone. Here is what it looks like in the bin. You can see that the result, it also picked up some hair that was on the floor. I'm using the mini power brush to vacuum my stairs, especially on these heavy carpeted high pill stairs. There is going to become really good just because it can get all those spaces. And then I'm using my crevice tool to get into all those tight pockets around the corners and on the sides. I'm also using it in our nursery. So in our nursery where our baby sleeps, we're just vacuuming, and there's different types of surfaces in our nursery, and it picks up pretty much everything. We're going to be testing how to change the power level from 1, 2, and turbo. And that produces, turbo mode has as much power as a V10 Dyson, or just about as much. And the lights on it, the 5 LED lights, are ultra bright. It lets you see almost everything on the floor, especially your dust. Your crevice tool is going to be picking up almost everything on your corners. And finally, let's show you what the pre-filter cleaning tool and how it works, because this is super cool. First, you attach it to your Tineco, and it says please rotate here during cleaning. And that's all you do. You turn it on and you rotate it, and it's going to start cleaning your filter, and that's a cleaning tool. So everything you get inside the box, you get the mini power brush, pre-filter cleaning tool, a 2-in-1 dusting brush, a crevice tool, a hair cleaning tool, a dual charging wall mounted dock, and of course you get the full-size LED multitasker power brush. And I'm going to show you how to charge it. All you do is put it in, and this can charge 2 batteries at the same time. There's a battery charger up top, and once it's plugged in, your battery will indicate that it's charging by lighting up 1, 2, 3, and this is what it looks like. Finished setup. Thank you.